are going to solve miscellaneous problem 6 of 10th standard maths part first, algebra in that. Chapter number 6, statistics. Question number 14. Okay. Observe the adjacent pie diagram. It shows the percentage of number of vehicles passing a signal in a town between 8 a.m. to and 10 a.m. This is a pie diagram. It shows, see, number of mode of transport. See, these are two-wheelers 40%, auto rickshaws 10%, buses 8%, tempos 12%, and cars 30%. Okay, so first question is find the central angle for each type of vehicle. Each type of vehicle we have to find out central angle. And if second question is if the number of two-wheelers is 1200, find the number of vehicles. We have to find out the total number of vehicles. Here it is again number of two-wheelers. Two-wheelers is 1200, only two-wheelers 1200. We have to find out the total number of vehicles. See, for this we can find out in this way, central angle of two-wheelers, use a formula, and in that we also find out. Otherwise we have to make a table. See, table, first write mode of transport. These transports we have to write. Second column percentage, then measure of central angle. So write mode of transport first, two-wheelers. Two-wheelers, that is 40%. Okay, for that we have to find out central angle. Then auto rickshaws. Auto rickshaws 10%. Then buses 8%. Then tempos 12%. Cars 30%. Okay, 30%. So now we have to find out central angle. See, this is central angle. What is the formula? First, to find out central angle, see, this is the formula. No, general formula is central angle is, this is denominator total number of items, numerator number of items. See, these are number of items out of total items multiplied by 360. This is a measure of circle. No, that's a pie diagram. No, this is a circle. So now we have to, here we have to find out central angle. Okay, this here it is items means what? This two-wheelers total, this is percentage. See, out of 100 this is 40. Okay, see, therefore, see, out of 100 percentage given, no, so 40 multiplied by 360 we have to find out. This is for central angle. So this is 0 0, this 0, this 0. So 36 multiplied by 4 is 24, 4 3 is 12 and 4 14, 144 degree. So therefore we will write here 40% out of 100 for 360. Answer is 144 degree. Similarly, 10% for out of 100, 360. This 0, 36 degree. Now 8% out of 100 for 360 we have to find out. See, this we have to do 8 out of 100 multiplied by 360. So 2 4s are 2 5s are. So this is 144 divided by 5. So this is 5 2s are 10. No, then 44 80, then 4 remains 0.8. 28 point, this is 28.8 degree, or we can take round figure, that is 29 degree. 29 degree we can take because we can make round figure. No. Similarly, 12 out of 100 multiplied by 360, 0 0. Then see, we'll do here 12 divided by 100 multiplied by 360. 2 6 are 2 5s are okay. Okay, 6 6 are 36, 3 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. Divide by 5. Okay, 16, 43.2. This is for tempos. This is 43.2, or we can write 43 because this is 43 because after decimal point 2 we cannot take whole number, so 43 as it is. Then here cars 30 out of 100 for 360. 0, 0, this 0 gone. So 3 6 are 108 degree. This is 108 degree. So we can find out total also. This has to come 100 percentage. No, this is 100. This is given. No, this is 100 only. This is 100%. Now here this has to come 360. This has to come 360. These are the central angle: 144 degree, 36 degree, 29 degree, 43 degree, and 108 degree. Okay. See, this is for question number 1. See, solution. This is question number 1. Now we have to find out question number 2. What is the question? If the number of two-wheelers is 1200, find the number of vehicles. Find the number of vehicles. So we have to find out the total number of vehicles. Okay. We'll write total number of. See here. If the number of two-wheelers is 1200. Okay. We'll write here for second question total number of two-wheelers. Okay. Number of two-wheelers. Total number of two-wheelers is 1200. No, 1200. Now we have to find out total number of vehicles. Therefore, we have to find out total number of vehicles. Total number of vehicles we have to find out. See, here is a see this one formula you have to remember. See, central angle. See, to find out central angle is, see, this is number of items. No, number of items out of total number of items. Total multiplied by 360. This is the formula you always remember. Okay. Central angle means number of items out of total multiplied by 360. Here we have to find out total. Total we have to find out. Therefore, cross multiplication. See these two together, these two. You have to find out total. So this will come to the denominator. Therefore, total number of vehicles is, here it is number of vehicles. Here it is. Items means what? Here vehicles. This is general formula. Number of vehicles multiplied by 360 divided by central angle. See, like this. Okay. So therefore, here total number of vehicles, to find out total number of vehicles, therefore total number of vehicles is number of two-wheelers. Number of two-wheelers. Question is, if the number of two-wheelers is 1200, number of two-wheelers multiplied by 360. Multiplied by 360 divided by central angle. Central angle. Therefore, total number we have to find. Number of two-wheelers is 1200 multiplied by 360 divided by central angle. Central angle of two-wheelers. Central angle of two-wheelers is 144 degree. So this is 9 table. 9 4s are 36. No, 40. This is 9 1s are 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 54. 16. Okay. This is 4 10s are. This is 4 4s are. This is 4 1s are. 4 3 times. So 300 multiplied by 10. See, this is 300 multiplied by 10. That is 3000. What is this 3000? Total number of vehicles. Total number of vehicles means, see here in this pie diagram, many transports are shown. No, this total number of vehicles is 3000. This is the question. See, if the two-wheelers are 1200, find the number of vehicles. Therefore, write the answer. Answer is total number of vehicles. Total number of vehicles is 3000. Total number of vehicles is 3000. Okay. Question number 15. The following table shows causes of noise pollution. Show it by a pie diagram. See, the following table shows causes of noise pollution. Okay, these are. Show it by a pie diagram. See, these are Pause is for noise pollution. Which are the components? See, construction makes noise. Traffic also, noise pollution. Aircraft takeoff, no, and industries and trains, they make noise pollution. And we have to show it by a pie diagram. So we have to make a column. First we have to write first this all components you have to write. Which are the components that makes noise pollution? Okay, these are. Here we have to percentage. Then we have to find out a central angle. Write the components, that is construction, traffic, aircraft, takeoff, then industry, then trains. Okay, percentages: construction is 10%, traffic is 50%, aircraft takeoff is 9%, industry 20%, and trains 11%. Total how much? This is 10, 50, 60, 80, and this is 20, 9 and 11, 20. 80, 20 is 100%. This is 100% total. Now we have to find out the measure of a central angle. We have to find out central angle, then show it through a pie diagram. Okay, so this is 10% out of 10 out of 100. We have to find out for 360. 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 36 degree. Then second one, 50 out of 100. Percentage means what? Percentage means for 100, no? So 50 out of 100 for 360. 0, this so gone. This 0, this 0. So 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 15, 16, 17, 18, 180 degree. This is for traffic, 180 degree. Aircraft takeoff, 9 for 100, 360, how much? 0. I'll take one paper, see here. This is 9 by 100. For 360, we have to find out 0, 0. This is 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 18s are. So 7, 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 9, yeah, 16. Divided by 5. 5 3s are 12. 5 2s are 20. 5 4s are 32.4 degree. We can take a round figure, that is 32 degree. 32 degree. Next, 20. 20 out of 100 for 360. 0, 0, this 0, this 0. This is 72 degree. 36, 2 times what? 72, no? Degree. This is 11. 11 by out of 100. 360. We have to find out like this. 11 by 100 multiplied by 360. 0, 0. 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 8s are. So this is 18 multiplied by 11 by 5. This is 18 and this 18. 5. So 5 3 is 15. 4, 48. 30. 39.6. Yeah, this is 39.6. We can make it round figure. This is more than 5, no? So we can make it 40 degree. So this is 40 degree. If we add, it has to come 360. 6, 2, 4, 10. Okay, then 1 carry. 4, 12, 15. Okay, 15. 15 plus 15 plus 11. Yeah, 26. 2 and this one 180, 360. Exactly, no? Yeah, 360. Now we have to show through pie diagram. First one, draw one radius. We need protractor. Draw one radius from the center. Okay. Then we have to show through. First we'll take construction. Construction is 36 degree. Keep your protractor on the center of the circle. Then this line, this radius should coincide with the line of the protractor, and this 36 degree. Start from here, 35, and this is 36. 36. Okay. Now draw a line to this. Okay. See, this is 36 degree. 36 degree. This is construction. construction. Okay, then next one is traffic. Traffic is 180 degree. Traffic, keep your protractor like this, let the line coincide with the radius. Now 180 degree, start from here, 180, this is 90, see, straight here, this is 180. Okay, like this. This is 180. 180 traffic. Now aircraft takeoff 32 degree. See, this is our this is line for construction, and from here it has to come like this. See, turn your book like this to get accurate reading. Okay, so like this. Now we have to take 180 degrees over, say 180. Now 32 degree. 32 degree. Yeah. 30, 31, 32. Okay. Join this with the center of a circle. This is 32 degree. What is that 32 degree? Aircraft takeoff. Aircraft, yeah, like this, right, like this, 32 degree aircraft takeoff. Aircraft take off. Okay, now this is the this thing, 32 degree. Industry 72 degree. Industry, see this, you have to keep like this. Industry 72, start from here, this is 70, 71, 72, 72. Join this with the center of a circle. 72 degree. What is that 72 degree? Industry. Right, industry. Industry. Then trains 42 degree. This is trains. This is 40 degree. This is 40. This is trains. Okay. Trains. This is the required pie diagram. Okay. Easy one. 4-mark question. This is a 4-mark question. Easy one. Okay. So this is the required pie diagram. Question number 16. A survey of students was made to know which game they like. The data obtained in the survey is presented in the adjacent diagram. If the total number of students are 1000, then we have to find out how many students like cricket. Then second question is how many students like football. Third question is how many students prefer other games. See, here's the pie diagram. This pie diagram shows the number of students, the total number of students. See, here it is the total number of students is 1000, means, see here, put football. Students take part in the football like cricket and kabaddi, kho-kho, other sports and hockey. Altogether, the total number of students is 1000. Now we have to find out how many students like cricket. Okay. See, for this we have to find out. See, this is a general formula. No, this is many practice sets we solved in this to find out central angle. This simple one formula you have to always remember. Central angle to find out here number of items. No, this is number of items out of total. No, this is total number of items. Total number. Out of total number of items multiplied by 360. This is 360 is measure of circle. And number here, now we have to find out how many students like cricket. So, what's the central? Here's the central angle. Central angle. Number of items means what? Number of students who take part in cricket, or number of students interested in cricket divided by total number of students. Total number of students, that is given 1000 multiplied by 360. Okay. Now we have to find out number of students who take part in the cricket is this one we have to find out. Means this is cross multiplication. This one we have to find out. This is cross these together and this together. So this one we have to find out. So this will comes to the numerator. Therefore central angle multiplied by total number of students divided by this one we have to find out, divided by 360. This one you have to find out number of students who take part in the cricket, or who are interested in cricket. Okay, number of students who are interested in cricket equal to central angle multiplied by total number of students divided by 360. This is the formula, but simple formula we have to remember this. Okay, to find out central angle. Here we have to find out total number of students who take part in the cricket. So first we'll write central angle for cricket. See, here is the central angle for cricket is 81 degree. Okay, solution part, central angle for cricket is 81 degree. Okay, 81 degree. Total number of students, first we'll write here solution, total number of students, that is 1000. Okay, total number of students 1000. Central angle for cricket is 81. Now we have to find out students who are interested in cricket. Okay, students, number of students who are interested in cricket, that we have to find out. Okay, therefore number of students interested in cricket. Okay, interested in cricket, that equal to here central angle multiplied by total number of students. Total number of students divided by 360. Okay, so central angle is 81 multiplied by total number is 1000 divided by 360. 0 0. Okay, 9 9s are 81. Okay, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 2 remain 20, 25. Answer is 4 9 5s are 45, 4 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22, 225. See, number of students interested in cricket is 225. Okay, right here number of students interested in cricket are 225. Okay, this is the first answer, first question answer. Now second question answer, we have to find out how many students like football. For second question, central angle for football. Central angle for football. Football is 63 degree. This is 63 degree. Now we know total number of students, we know, no? For this also we'll write total number of students. Not necessary every now and then you have to write 1000. Therefore we have to find out number of students interested in football. How many students like football, interested in football is, that we have to find out number of students. See, number of students interested in football, that is central angle multiplied by total number of students divided by 360. Central angle is 63 for football multiplied by total number is 1000 divided by 360. This 0 gone. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 4s are 3 7 time. Here 4 1s are, here 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 2 remains 50 and 20, 25. Answer is 7 5s are 35, 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 175. 175 students are interested in football. So number of students, answer is number of students interested in football are 175. Now third question. How many students prefer other games? See here, other games, other game. Central angle for other games. Nor, see here it is kabaddi, kho-kho, hockey. But this is a other game. So central, third question answer. Central angle for other game, other sports. Central angle for other sports is 72 degree. 72 degree. Therefore, number of students interested in other sports, that is central angle multiplied by total number of students divided by 360. Okay, so central angle for other sports is 72 degree. This is 1000 total number of students divided by 360. This is 9 4s, no? 9 8 time, no? Then 4 1s are 4 2s are 20. So 20 multiplied by 100 is 2000. Not 2000. See, this is 72 degree, not 720. Okay, this is 72 degree. See, I made a mistake. I thought, see, 4 1s are 4 2s are. See, this is. See, here it is. See, 72 degree. Not necessary to write 72. 72 multiplied by 1000 divided by 360. 0 0. Okay. Then 4 1s are 4 2s are. So 100 multiplied by 2 is 200. 200. Okay. Answer is 200. Not this. Here it is 72 degree. See, I wrote like this. 72. So 2 multiplied by 100 is 200. Therefore, the number of students interested in other sports are 200. This is the answer. That's it. Okay, easy one. Question number 17. Medical checkup of 180 women was conducted in a health center in a village. 50 of them were short of hemoglobin, 10 suffered from cataract, and 25 had respiratory disorders. The remaining women were healthy. Show the information by a pie diagram. So we have to make a table. Here, first column shows the number of women. See, first column shows the illness, second column shows number of women, third column we have to find out the measure of central angle. See here, total number of women are 180. We'll write here number of total number of women. Total number of women are 180. Okay, 180. Now, in a 50 of them were, see, first to write the class, first column we'll write the different illness. Okay, hemoglobin, then hemoglobin 50 of women are 50 of them were short of hemoglobin. Then 10 10. Okay, then 25 had respiratory disorder. How much? 25. Yeah, 25 had. This is 25. The remaining women are healthy. The number of healthy women is here we'll write healthy women. Number of healthy women is not given, so we have to add these two. See, total number of women are 180. These three, see here, this total is see 5, then 5, 1, 6, 7, 8. 85 women are ill. Okay, total number of women are 180. So 85 are ill. Therefore, we have to find out. See, like this. See, 180 is total number of women. In that, 85 are ill. The healthy are, how many are healthy? 5. Then here it is 7. This is how much? 85. 8. 5. Here it is 7. 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. No, 9. 95. Yeah. So, healthy are, so we'll write here 180 minus 85. See, you have to write like this. 180 minus 85. See, again I'm writing 180 minus 85. That is 95. 95 are healthy. Okay. So now we have to find out the measure of central angle. We have to find out. See, total number of women are 180. In that, short of hemoglobin are 50. We have to find out for 360. Okay. So this 0, this 0. 18 one time, 18 two times. 36. No. Then 50 multiplied by 2 is 100. This is 100. This is central angle, so this is degree, 100 degree. Then we are here, out of 180, 10 are ill. So for 360 we have to find out 0. This 0 is gone. 18 ones are 18 two times. So 20. Central angle is 20 for this column. Now respiratory disorder, out of 180, 25. For 360 we have to find out. This 0 gone. 18 ones are 18 two times. This is 50. Here it is 95. Healthy are 95. Okay, you got it now. See, this is 180. These three are ill. Healthy number is not given, so we have to find out this ill minus 180. 180 minus these three. So 95. So out of 180, 95 are healthy. For 360, how much we have to find out? Central angle we have to find out. 18 ones are 18 two times. So 95 multiplied by 2. 5 twos are 10. 1 carry. 190? No. Yeah, 190. So this all together total has to come 360. Let's check. 0, 9, 14, 15, 16, 6, 1 carry, 2, 3, 360. No, this is 360 has come. Here this all together has to come 180. See, this is how much? This is 50, 20, 75, 85. 85 plus 95. 85 plus 95 how much? 180. No, 85 plus 95 is 180. This is total is 180. This, not degree, 180. Now we have to show this in pie diagram. So for this, we'll draw one circle and draw one radius. Anywhere, can one draw one radius like this? Okay, one radius. This is center. Take a protractor. First, hemoglobin, 100 degree. Keep your protractor on the center of the circle, and this line, it has to coincide. The line should coincide with the line with the protractor. This is 100 degree. Start from here. This is 90 and this is 100. Draw line. Take a ruler and draw line. Okay, this is 100. This is 100 degree. For what? Hemoglobin. Globin. Then second one, keep your protractor on that, on the center of the circle. Then it is, second one is 20 degree. Like this, okay. (20 degree). right? 20. This is 20. This is right. PA, rat, cataract. Okay. Then third one, respiratory disorder, is 50. This is center. 50. Here it comes 50. This is then healthy are 190 degree. Healthy are 190 degree. 190. See, like this. Here only you have to keep like this. 190 degree means you have to start from here only. This is our line, no? This is our line. And 190. This is 90. Then 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 170, 180. Ours is 190. 180 till here it's 180. See, it's still here, it's 190. See, this is healthy. We have to write here healthy. Like this. 190. This is healthy. 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 See, this is required pi diagram. Okay. Easy one. See, this is also a 4 marks question. Very easy. Easily you can score 4 marks easily. Okay. So now question number 18. On an environment day, students in a school planted 120 trees under plantation project. The information regarding the project is shown in the following table. Show it by a pi diagram. This here is a table. For first column shows tree name: Karanj, Beheda, Arjun, Bakul, and Kadunimb. And second column shows number of trees. See, 20 trees of Karanj by the name of, it's the name of a tree. 28 trees are Beheda, 24 trees are Arjun, 22 trees are Bakul, and 26 trees are Kadunimb. And make a column of this. First write name of trees: Karanj and Beheda. Then Arjun, Bakul. Then Kadunimb. Okay. Then arrange 20 trees. Number of trees are 20. Here is a 28. Here is a 24. It's a 22. And here it's a 26. Now we have to find out the measure of central angle. Okay. Here total number of trees are planted. See, students in a planted 120 trees. Total number of trees are 120. These are 120. So we have to find out central angle. So out of 120, 20 are Karanj for 360. 0, 0. Okay. Then 2 6 are 2 10 time. 6 1s are 6 6 time. This is 6 10s are 60. 60. Now here it is. I'll take on paper. See, 28. This is 28 out of 120. 120. For 360 we have to find out. 12 ones are, no, 3 time. So 2, 84. So we'll write here 28 out of 120 for 360 is 84. Now 24 out of 120 for 360. See, this is, we'll write here 24 out of 120, 360. (72) 72 degree. Similarly, 22 out of 120 multiplied by 360. 66. 22 out of 120 for 360. See here what I wrote, 360. 12 ones are 66. Then 26 out of 120 multiplied by 360. 3. 78. 78 degree. It has to come total 360. Let's check. 4, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 20, 2 carry, 8, 8, 16. 16 plus 2 is 20 and 25. 25, 31. 31, 38. How come? See, here it is 2. 4, 2, 4, 2, 6, 6, 6, 12, 20, 2 carry, 2 carry, 2, 6, 8, 8, 8, 16. Okay, it is 16. This is 14 and this is 6. 36. Right, 36. Now we have to show through pi diagram. Now we have to draw one this thing. Draw one circle and one radius we have to draw like this radius. Now first we have to take current 60 degree. Take a protractor and keep exactly on the center. Take 60 degree and join that point with the center of the circle, and this is 60 degree. This is Karanj. Next is Beda, 84 degree. 84. This is 85. This is 84. 84 degree. This is okay. Then Arjun, 72, 84, 72, like this. Okay, 72. Okay, so this is 70, 71, 72. This is 72 degree. That is Arjun. Then keep your this thing protractor. Then 66 degree. 66. So this is 65. This is 66. Join. $66. Okay, yeah, 66 degree. This is BAKUL. Okay, then this is 78 degree. It will come Kadunim. This is 78 degree. KADU, Kadunim. Okay, see, this is only this much you have to do. 4 marks, easily scoring, very easy one. Okay, so students, in problem set 6, miscellaneous problems 6, in that till I solved till 18. Okay, whole problem set has got over. So if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Also like and share with your friends and classmates and all those who need it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are watching my video for the first time. Okay, so okay then, bye.